Dialysis patients in Prince George are benefiting from a program designed to help keep them as healthy as possible. On today's To Your Health, Catherine Hansen has more on the city's independent hemodialysis unit.
And now, To Your Health, brought to you by 3rd Avenue Pharmacy and Heart Drugs.
It's not always easy.
Alex Robertson spends her afternoon hooked up to this dialysis machine. It's a process she's done roughly 4 times a week since her kidneys failed 7 years ago.
Well, I'm just in for my routine 4-hour dialysis treatment. I come 4 times a week. And once I get hooked on, I just sit here and wait for the 4 hours to go. Travel anymore.
Alex has been a patient at the independent hemodialysis unit in Prince George for 6 years and has found the clinic works well for her. From putting in her own needles to checking and filling out her chart every hour during the treatment.
Basically, it's a machine that we're filtering their blood through a dialyzer is what we call it, but basically it's an artificial kidney and cleaning their blood out for them.
The unit located in Parkwood has been open since 2008. At the time, it was unique as it was one of the only in the province to be launched off-site of a hospital. Separating the clinic from the hospital location works well for patients, keeping them healthier physically and mentally.
Down here, you feel healthier. And for the most part, we are healthy, except for our kidney disease. At the hospital, people are a lot sicker. And I found for myself, if I dialyze at the hospital, I found it very depressing.
We're keeping them out of the hospital. I mean, when you're dealing with chronic illness, you're dealing with patients that potentially are spending a lot of time in a hospital environment and they feel sick. We don't want them to feel sick. We want them to live their life as independently as possible and be a partner in their care.
Alex hopes to one day dialyze at home, but for now continues her visits to the independent unit and continues her waiting game as she is on the transplant list for a new kidney.
I would love to get a call tonight and say, listen, hey, get to Vancouver, we've got a kidney for you.
To Your Health, Catherine Hansen, CKPG News.